Good afternoon. Mike Macomber, partner and CEO here at Tully Rinckey, providing you some information regarding formal EEO complaints. Now, at the end of the informal EEO process, a agency is going to provide the federal employee with what we call a notice of right to file a formal complaint. This is typically done with a final interview between the EEO counselor and the employee. Once that final interview happens, and once an employee receives that notice of right to file a formal complaint, it's very important. You have 15 days to file a complaint of discrimination. And that 15 days is going to be calendared based on the earliest date you receive that form. Very often, agencies will email a copy and mail a copy, but whatever you do, you need to ensure that you meet that 15 calendar day deadline. Now, filing a formal complaint can involve several different steps. Usually, there is some sort of agency form that needs to be filled out with basic biographical information, as well as the complaint of discrimination. Now, the complaint itself is important because this frames the investigation that happens afterwards. Now, in the complaint, you want to be very specific on what it is that you are claiming. You want to outline the dates on which the incidents occurred, the bases of discrimination, again, things like race, gender, religion, national origin, age, disability, whatever that might be, as well as the management officials or individuals involved. It's important to think about the actual claims themselves versus the evidence that may lead to those claims. And a lot of times I see complaints of discrimination that include a lot of information that may be background information or evidence, but not actually the claims themselves. The claim should be a succinct statement outlining exactly how you suffered some sort of adverse action in your employment. Now, if you have questions about preparing a complaint of discrimination or meeting the deadlines, it's very important that you contact an attorney early in the process because everything after this point is going to look back at the initial complaint of discrimination. If we can be of any help, feel free to contact us at Tully Rinckey. We'd be happy to talk to you about your claims. Thank you.